How to Choose the Perfect Handlebars, a cyclist's complete guide. This script is designed to educate while naturally promoting the featured products. Choosing the right handlebar can completely transform your riding experience. Whether you're into mountain trails, urban cycling, or long-distance rides, your handlebars define your control, comfort, and performance. But with so many options out there, how do you actually choose the perfect one? In this guide, we'll break it down step by step and show you some of the best handlebar options available right now. Your handlebar isn't just where you place your hands. It affects your posture, steering precision, and even how much fatigue you feel after a ride. A good handlebar gives you better control on rough terrain, improved comfort on long rides, and more confidence at higher speeds. For example, riders upgrading to a riser handlebar often notice immediate improvements in stability and reduced strain on their back and shoulders. So let's look at the key factors you should think about before choosing your handlebar. First up, width. Wider handlebars, like the 780mm and 800mm options, give you way more control, especially for mountain biking and downhill riding. Next, rise. A higher rise, like 55mm, 70mm, or even 120mm, puts you in a more upright and comfortable position. That's perfect for reducing fatigue, you know? Now, material. Aluminum alloy handlebars are lightweight, durable, and honestly pretty affordable. But if you want premium performance, titanium options offer incredible strength with less vibration. And don't forget clamp diameter. You gotta make sure you choose the correct size, typically 25.4mm or 31.8mm, to match your bike setup. Alright, here are some excellent handlebar options depending on your riding style. If you want versatility and performance, the 31.8 bike handlebar with up to 120mm rise and 780mm width is perfect for mountain biking and aggressive trails. It really offers stability and control when you need it most. For riders looking for a more compact option, the 25.4 bike handlebar with 620mm width is ideal for urban cycling or lighter trail use, still delivering comfort and reliability. If you prefer a more relaxed, upright position, the Sunlight D-Cruiser handlebar is a great choice. Its wide, swept-back design makes it perfect for casual rides and cruising. Now for serious mountain bike riders, the 31.8mm mountain bike handlebar with 800mm length gives you maximum control and responsiveness, especially on technical terrain. Looking for something a bit more advanced? The titanium handlebar compatible with 𝐸 Light B bikes offers exceptional strength and vibration absorption for high-performance riding. And if you want flexibility, 𝐝𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬 MTB handlebars come in multiple sizes, from 20mm up to 160mm, making them perfect for everything from e-bikes to downhill racing. So, which one should you choose? If you're into mountain biking, go wider and higher rise. If you prefer comfort and cruising, choose those swept-back designs. If you want all-around performance, aluminum riser bars are your best bet. The key is matching the handlebar to your riding style. Ready to upgrade your ride? Just click the link in the description below to check out these handlebars on the official site and find the perfect fit for your bike. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, click on this video and subscribe to the channel for more cycling tips and gear reviews.